Hello, welcome to TurnerTime. This video is on how to automatically add Teams meeting in Outlook calendar appointments. When you schedule a meeting in Outlook, you have to insert Teams meeting in it. However, you can enable automatic Teams meeting or Zoom meeting information if you are a Zoom user. This process is shown in Outlook Classic and on Windows 11. Before we move forward with the tutorial, here is a quick question for you. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? You can get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, contact us via email or phone. Let's get back to our tutorial. Left-click on File in the menu. Left-click Options. Left-click Calendar. And on the right, checkmark Add Online Meeting to All Meetings. Then, left-click on Meeting Providers and make sure Microsoft Teams is selected. And if you are a Zoom user, select Zoom. After selecting the meeting provider, left-click OK. Left-click OK again to save the changes. Going forward, as soon as you left-click on Invite Attendees, Teams meeting information will be added. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. And if you are interested in the training I mentioned earlier, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-7788-463.